Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and I'm stopping by to share my latest haul with you. I finally decided that I really do like the look of foil, and even though I have the Glimmer system from Spellbinders, I really wanted to get the mini mink from Pink and Main to be able to do both kinds of foiling. The type with the plates and then the type with the toner, which is what this is. So I just got this yesterday. Haven't really opened it up yet, but I'm super excited. I've watched lots of videos using it. I really like the idea of this because it heats up faster than a laminator, and it's made for this. So I'm excited to get into that. Comes like you choose your product, choose your foil, run it through the machine, and you get your results. So I did get the mini mink. Everything that I got will be linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. To go along with that, I did get some of their cheer foil. So I got the Fairy Wings Blue, which is really, really pretty, and then the Fairy Wings Pink. They're just gorgeous. And then I really am excited. Pink and Main has different colored toner sheets. A lot of other companies have toner sheets, but they are typically black. But they have lots of different colored ones. So like you can use your excess, not really excess, but your foil after you cut something out, you can put it on this and have a whole nother creation. So I got the rainbow. And then I did pick up, let me see if some extra transfer folders just in case that is something that I might need. And then I did get a die set. I already put it into my pockets that I use, but I thought this was a really great die set. It's called the Simple Greetings dies. It has hello there, happy days, sending cheer, just a note, thinking of you, and hi, and the shadows, which I really like. So I'm excited for that. And then I was super excited that Pink and Main just started a foil subscription. So for the first subscription, you get a pack of these foilables. It's the Flower Power Foilable Kit, and it's got pretty patterns. Really, really cool. I will link in the description box a video to Pink and Main's site where they revealed this new subscription. And then you get this fun foilables. This is the ringlets. And then you get a thing of foil too. And this is the silver cheer foil. And it's just really pretty. It's got like some flowers. It's really hard to see. So I'm super excited that now I can foil all the things. And yeah. And I mean, Pink and Main, I think, is quickly becoming one of my favorite companies. They carry so many things, so many products that are just amazing. So I hope to be back soon to share creations using all this new stuff. And until my next video, I hope you have an amazing crafty day. Thanks so much. Bye.